who raised them? If they say they are prophets, then who is their fathers? Who raised them? So, Osofwa ene osi osofo panyini we fa woto amwati ni abeka no wo egu papa ni hu fie gu nanim ase
Ghana fo me mamu nyina akwaba edi ba Ghana TV we stand for the truth and name a guest of the day Sofo Franklin ene menene ewo studio ha ye betwetwe nkomo kama na ewiase nsam de adoso especially Ghana ha promo ha ye wa ha ana apia biblical wo bedi ni nyamra sem ema nkofo bi ekobo ni naked ebro no egu nanim ase ene na enya asem ketwa na saa apia ya didim na de o si Mami agrada me apia me chire obosom eduemu aburo sa wo de wasem ba me so be me mfa ho me mfa ho Mami agrada man kan chire ne se kwaku ese ne ka se bia mami agrada na eno so me ni ska fa nkoma kwaku mami agrada ka no kre ena te sa pie wo ke kan se ma ne se wo ke kan enne ana ma fresh of Franklin so biblical no ana o se so ye sofo we die na wo se du asofo nsemu a me osofo Franklin ehia na ye bubbo mu nchiremu ye di hu nkomo na afen so no me bisa ne se ayemia anamontu a ya honorable Kennedy Japan wotu ananso eyanamompa abeboa nyame adwuma anase emmoa nyame adwuma dwumadie ya ye de brewi eye Ghana TV Foundation ena de brew Ghana TV Foundation ye de ya ne se ye bo akrafo eyisia mobrowa wona woni bi wona woni kamafo wona ye bo wona ye won adoye me da say Sofo akwaba.
Yeah, na.
Now, what to say?
Nyame adom.
Also, now why I feel?
Yeah, mon paibo. Any nyame adom.
We down crowd.
Ubeni days. Say the radia me na 16 kwa mi.
Aye.
44 kwa mi di. Aka kremi so am do 54 so midi.
Where do we say so young?
See, nyame adom ye ho ye pa. Rade ahwe yeso. Edi aba bidu bebi ayebi.
Ye de nyame ase osofo. Ye de nyame ase na me mo wakwa babiem.
Ye na.
E de ba Ghana TV so. Na enne de nti a invite wa ne say. Se na wo ye sofo ya. Udi asofo dwuma mu akotini ya wa nyame dwuma nyama e koso wo nyame dwuma mu e na ye se ye fro ne ye ne watwetwe ehun nkomo na mpese mbisa wo se sofo wo hwe dwumadi a onabo Kennedy Japan edia go we break ka se onabo ade a wo ye no opese o se Christosom bebre na so se onabo ade a wo je ebe bua Christosom sofo de ekwe wodwen wo sei
yo edi kan de aseda kese ma Erade Nyankopon a wa bie kwan ama ye se ene yeso yemra na ye mechire ya dwen
so for ya mama na
so mechia ahwefo ne atifo a ehwe ye e wo Ghana TV na me hira wo mu nyina mama na em se wasem na obusa ye no eye topic trendy for keka ho nsem bebre but I believe say honorable me amatuni bi me friend no Ken Cyrus
wow
and Ken Dairos sa Ken Dairos ye di amatuni din sa onye obi a sebe osum nyame but oyobi a nyame de ne honhom fa no so
okay
ma obuama yesi wonu Awurade Nyankopon asafo a Solomon si ma Awurade nanna masodin ene boni so nti Awurade Nyankopon abufuo ba Israel man so na wo yi wo man na de hye Nebukadnezar nsa na Nebukadnezar eba be sei Onyankopon asafo a wonam Solomon so si na de wo asori fie wa eye gold and silver say ye de asiesie nyame fie e de hye nyame anyonyam Bible so mo sesa ni nyina de captivity but enu achi ni Nyankopon de kom hye ma odifo bi efe Nazaya se obi beba wo hini bi beba be nam ne so wono na beba no so wabeboa ma yetimi asi wono Awurade Nyankopon asafo ne efe no ohini Darius anaso ohini Cyrus
okay
it me frɛ honorable say King Cyrus
okay
so na adwuma honorable to me I believe say God is using him to bring sanity to this church. A whole lot of rubbish and mess is going on in the church.
Hey, so Pacha said, sorry, ni ade no. Rubbish is some funny idea
koso ewo Kristo asafo.
Okay.
Asafo na Yesu Kristo di ni moja ebetoye edi si ho no. Awo di jaye ekoye. Enye sa church no ene ne ye hu.
Okay, now Obi Kwe catch him some time ago say, sorry, this time sorry no remwa emu ye light. But it's not ka sorry them ma. Unsa sorry them emu odu. Ene. Sa.
Ene. The church of today can never be compared to the early church. When you look at the early church, Christo, Edija Peter no. Ekache Peter say Peter, you are the rock, and upon you I will build my church. That church can never be compared to what is going on today. That early church, the spirituality, to me and the power, the fear, at that time, for God to make people to understand what Christianity is all about. It's all about fearing God. Those days now, they worship God with some kind of fear. And fear said, no. But who God will not spare you. But na se nyame suro wa sofo ni mu a ka sofo betimi ahwe wo pemfo ani makuna yini yemu ba e dia ye sacrifice
na sofo patro say nsam na yetete say ebi mutumi kuma pemfo e dia omo ye rituals na no kre
ma me mi hunu bi da but in every hearsay there is an iota of truth. Yes no kre bi e dia be me dia me fa mani hu bi da. But I believe that it is going on. No. But a idea ekoso. Na sanyoma na ekoso no. Any we ya jimisika ye say we anyway that so funny obi yire that when is December sa utie nsem na ekoso na time. And I believe that God has inspired and anointed King Japan honorable to bring sanity to his church. Because a jumana papa ne ye no. I want you to know, say, I'm very free, so I'm one to me.
Eh, into Pacha say, Nia honorable ye na so funny be crab condemn say, and ya de pa na opeso ya na ugu Christo soon because ono crown on ye Christo ni no. What Pacha say ye?
Christo soon na o guno na any day. Ena and go for a cast honorable ye Christo ni no. I think they are doing a very big mistake. They are making a very big mistake.
Eh, I saw for na ekon.
Say woman. Is it because they say was he won't cross on the down here? What was the reason?
Okay.
Last time about the kind. The reason also one can say because of your my opportunity no. Oh, unu baby I won't go.
Oh, okay.
18 years when you Christian, the man is a God-fearing man. The man loves God. Everybody that loves truth is of God.
Okay.
Everybody that believes in truth and loves truth and fights for truth is of God.
Okay. Matthias here.
So what I say? Eti papa no. It is not about say one coach now sorry them man and so mo born to then someone told you munti. Also in Christian. I know that man has the spirit of God in him.
Hey.
I am telling you.
Now
me shem kombi wo je Ghana. Kenya Japan. Obe preaching gospel.
Wow.
Now I started. I am telling you.
Obe preaching gospel.
They say the man who preach the gospel and son of a customer.
Wow.
Now, you can't obe preaching gospel and yes, be our Bible like what you now sorry them who preach.
Okay.
Obe timi a jina wa Kenya miasam ba ko pe one day. No the call. Kenya miasam.
Into who say
the man is doing the work of God. A Juma asofo penifo bi ntimi nye. Ene nyame ama no ho ahode.
Okay.
Eti na me di kan ka kire o say Juma na wo ye ne say nyamfa free sura ma wa wontimi nye da. There are a lot of men of God. Enipa hi na etimi aba out boldly eye de omo ye. Say asofo ni penifo ni bi ti say Archbishop ni Bishop James Sar no money Bishop Ajina Sare no Reverend Sam Kwanchakra. When they come out, a choir, omo di omo be faso no. The boys in them rant no they are so from penifo we be faso. It is some of them no because of omo reputation they kuta wo no for say me ma meka na akola bi di makojina ba bia ye ni. And
you think that thing now omo ya so from penifo a omo boa the body of Christ and I say nyame sum omo person nyame som etina ho na ni penye gide wo nyame mu no na omo so no omo ntumi ma out me kasa de we as you think it's a good idea
mama yes wo omo person omo beba o they wish to they have tried but and someone enya bi ni se bo ti otimi kotina ba bi attack ya bishop timi kasetia a man a great man like this who has made impact, who has watched Christianity to stand and survive in Africa. Great man. Now, but we now so for you now, some domini ye trappy a cassette, you would be your one time. It's your show baby, our free body baby, our baby drew a 9. I'm going to say, and you are some no crown, a cocaine, make a view. So, okay. And then Yamianka Sanwa, I prepare a vessel. This man, where there, on your software, on your prophet. Or your evangelist. They will say the nyame anointing sa wo hene no. Say wo hwe na yen san si na safo no. Ti na me friend of King Darius no. Eti ene nyame asa anointing another Darius to use that man to rebuild the church. The church na yes say no. Church na nkofo bia cripple in. Kum nipa. Adani pateku. A wo mu hwe dwantene atare. They are wolves in sheep clothing. Now almost from said D4 near apostles. Now D4 we have false apostles, we have false teachers, we have false prophets, we have false pastors. It's not prophets in Kwa. Okay. And they are false.
Okay. I will be on no Kenya seminar.
Some of them are false. Some of the teachers are false. Some of the apostles are false. And we are crippled in. And then almost say
some of them are false. And no ma creeping in. And almost saying chuma. So for yanko or appear. Any nana agrada and some. Won't say yeshimwa edumrebina so for appear. And your problems be brema. Just saying, Guasi a tune or Ghana, no, nay, agro. But yen I him say, Nana grada to me be mu, a so ni mu, never be brea so funny being to me, no, Nana grada to me so far pmu, edging a 1 word to a one. Then they could have sorry, ya. Yakotis appeared Nana grada radio station be and would dinner them. So, what do you think about that one?
Yo, me that say,
as a man of God.
Sa so for apia na kasa no mingi ni se machia ne da.
Okay.
For all my years in ministry.
Okay.
But say metete news no bi ni ade. Say enye sa so for apia na ne mre bi o san be kan say o say Prophet Osu Bempa
or say on person of fan it or man 150 million.
And say sa branch na na che me sante ye na fe do say enya no kwebe Osu Bempa is a genuine prophet.
Aye.
The same person no anya no.
Same person na ye kana.
So ebi na ma me make say eya sofu bi ba out. Ye musa say so sofu we musa say last make say who raised them if they say they are prophets? Then who is their fathers? Who raised them? So, Osofo ene osi osofo panyini we fa woto am watimi abeka no wo egu papa ne hu fie gu nanim ase obi eni onyamfo say a respectable person, a prophet, a man that has been in ministry for years. I am blessing to so many souls. I am blessing to so many lives. Nene utimi be jina waka say sebe papa Osu Bempa timi awro ne ho afa wo woto
o say papa Osu Bempa se ne jina ho pa
me ka asem bi a kire sa branch e no minimum no se wan kwanko hwehwe Prophet Osu Bempa mpempanimfo bi ankwanko bre no ho ase anko da fom am papa ne chew ama papa na lay hands man no your friend is Abrantie no apia no na brabo
hey
I am telling you I am speaking
so for say
me say mama I am speaking as an apostle of God. Number 2 me cheni panyini ma enya me adwuma so channel for so many years. I have been in ministry for years. Na me ka kire ne say he has offended a spiritual authority. He has sinned against a senior man of God, ordained prophet, sanctified by God.
So for
well, good hufi.
So for me, bro. Until Pacha say, piano, I also been packed na.
Maybe I may say, Mammy, say what casino he. Obi wa o mejina kuku, o mejina public. And kasa wo asimesi say. But also for be o call the closet onim ni awoye onim ni enyameka onim ni oni nyameka.
Okay,
it made me say as a senior man of God I am advising him.
Okay,
so wanko anko bob anko kutu anko sre papa na ma papa na mo paye bi amanoa that guy has started sinking. Now he will continue to sink.
Debut papa in some how can I know you. And you know, like as a senior prophet of God, no, what part say, who share within spiritually, also for piano, ya casting na.
Yo, me say, maybe I mean, say ya casting.
That's my work, I know.
Me, and I make us a casase penny.
Okay,
me say, what cassette ya a man in authority.
Okay,
so was so a prophet, you were minor prophet and your major prophet. So, touch not my anointed and do my prophet no harm and I can. Ya no montiasi. Enti se wotimi bie wa no ka kire onyamedifo a enya Ghana nko na wa hyenkom. But other nations and countries. Amane kom shetimi abem. Ena mimi hunu osofo Bempa a wo hyenkom way back from Kumasi. Edi ba kra cover glass kan komo satan na sa wa pia na wo we. Eti obi a wa make impact in ministry in Christianity. Mame me chira wa sofo a Reverend Osu Bempa. I am blessed to them. And the woman so ye prophets. Edi da woman sorry anu a. Enya asem ketwa. It is a wutimi ba out e be ka se nipa bi sei. Wan timi afa boni bi ensusu no. Na aka che ne se wo ye gay wa wro ho. Amo asebe wo de ne be ma tua woto. E fa woto. Eti wo feel say that is all. Se wo so for no brand
so me ba. Wan ka se oni na do.
Wo so wa fa ne to nya sa.
O say also been passing up the way na corner better. So man 150.
So mbra mo mfa ne to.
Omra no ne na.
Onyankopon ka kire Abraham se fa wo ba ne ko ba afore. Abraham che sekan no. Wa physically na to ni minimum physically. But spiritually no wakunu.
Okay.
Eti wudi kan kura bie wa no be ka se papa ne se bra be ji sika na me mfa wo mfa wo to no kwa che se. Wadi kan kwaye.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Odi ase. O si se wo ba uhunu wo ba na wo kon dono a wo bo adwaman. Eti wo be se wo che se the man has already lasted after you. Eti he has sleep with you spiritually.
Okay, so for material wo che na say.
Unya nti ase me be se me kire se. Wo di asem to papa no so.
Na
asem na man bu ofu pa.
Meti ase pa.
So,
me hu se we di.
Eti saa de na wa ye no. Me be se me man ati ase se. Owusu Bempa, Prophet Owusu Bempa is a senior man of God. Odi ase.
So man di yawa.
Enti me say wa enye so man di yawa, wa man di yawo.
Okay.
Me ka kire abrante no wote ni ba bia. Me say opa wontie de me ka no. Womra ne ho ase. Na wonko because me say wa sha se senke. Na wan hwe ya obesenki to the grave.
Papa sisi ano e ba cho wakasa bebre na me bisa o say di papa ya okonfo ba agrada and as a Dr. Patricia si edu ayama papa no. Do you think say kwa no dey fast sisi ano is it right?
Eti na me di kan ka che o say me say papa no o sinke.
Okay.
Odi ase se ukoye saade ani wie na wunya problem na wo bi hunu wo mobo obi aye nyina ya condemn no se wono de onye Kristo ni bato e comfort so what you say a good Samaritan unya wo problem no when you fall into the hand of the devil now you were beaten and wounded now with the whole bleeding in the cold blood or suffer through wow priest prophet edruo or san ho koi so what I say obi a wonye Kristo ni edru ho no ena wa pick wa healing wounds ama wagina wo na so wa boa wo na se ne that same finger that fed you what me akọ back akọ bite that finger a disgrace no
what to me
or you're unfaithful
or
you're ungrateful
so what to me akọ back akọ bite the same finger now we are ungrateful na me say aka will say ye J Ghana TV Jumedia wuhu J Ghana TV your foundation and asoya sene ama ye di Jumedie ebrewo hwe ye de ye ya ne se ye bo ansia akunafo woni bi mobrunfo sabi won po a aso ye di nsem ato omo so omakọ ka efiase wona woni ba bi da na J Ghana TV ye bo omo enti hwe numbers ni etwagu ewo fidie su febi na frey se wo mo bi anapo se woni mo bi a wo bra wo de frey eno an so be frey na ebe kwa koye ne moa ye da wase enko so for na just say ne krakran anything
me say ne krakran say the guy is ungrateful.
Okay.
Who di koye papa we ewi eche ne wasan ba be kase papa no afedie enya no kure onka so be fa woto oye genuine enti say no wan kasa ne hina wugina. Do you stand for the truth or do you stand for the devil? Where do you belong?
Do you stand for the truth or do you stand for the devil? Where do you belong to? Osofo Apia, Osofo Franklin, and Ebisa wasem. Where do you stand? Asha for yet amase baby ayede ye nkomo twetwe ebesie ni edina ne J Ghana TV na nsem aye uhu ye nsem a woti ye say ye woda wo de subscribe fa won se si red ayini so na fa won se si bell no so mia bell no anytime a ye de video beto no ubenya notification say ye de video ato no wa hwaman ye da wase video so nsaka na wa share. Bye bye.